This is Grouse, and if you're the person who thinks big is best, then Grouse is the best boat for you. We have used every inch of Grouse's width to give you maximum space. Grouse is like a cottage afloat with its seating area in front of the log burning stove, an entertainment centre with 8 speakers throughout the boat, and a separate dining area. If you enjoy cooking and like to continue it while afloat, Grouse is the boat for you. Her kitchen is twice the size of any other boat, with 2 fridges, large hob and powerful wok burner. Forward of the saloon are 2 beautiful queen-sized cabins with fully automatic extending beds. Come night time, just push the button and your bed automatically comes out ready for a good night's sleep. Between the cabins you have a beautiful bathroom, the door of which swings across the boat to give you privacy. To supplement your bathroom, this boat has a separate cloakroom at the rear. Grouse has the largest covered front deck amongst our fleet, ample space for friends and family to dine, and the covered sides can be rolled up to let the sun in. So that's Grouse with the cottage saloon, very large kitchen and forward dining area.